Welcome to our channel. Test your grammar. Conditional sentences. MCQs on conditional sentences. Number 1. If you dash water to 100 degrees centigrade, it boils. Option A. Heat. B. Heated. C. Will heat. D. Would heat. The correct answer is option A. Heat. Number 2. If I see him, I dash him your message. Option A. Told. B. Tell. C. Will tell. D. Would tell. The correct answer is option C. Will tell. Number 3. If I dash rich, I would travel the world. Option A. Am. B. Were. C. Will be. D. Had been. The correct answer is option B. Were. Number 4. If you had studied, you dash the test. Option A. Pass. B. Will pass. C. Would have passed. D. Would pass. The correct answer is option C. Would have passed. Number 5. I would buy that car if I dash enough money. Option A. Have. B. Had. C. Will have. D. Would have. The correct answer is option B. Had. Number 6. If she dash early, she will catch the bus. Option A. Arrives. B. Arrived. C. Had arrived. D. Arriving. The correct answer is option A. Arrives. Question number 7. If it dash tomorrow, we will stay home. Option A. Rained. B. Rains. C. Raining. D. Rain. The correct answer is option B. Rains. Number 8. If you heat ice, it dash. Option A. Melts. B. Melt. C. Melted. D. Melting. The correct answer is option A. Melts. Number 9. If I were you, I dash him. Option A. Will call. B. Would call. C. Call. D. Called. The correct answer is option B. Would call. Number 10. If they had worked harder, they dash the match. Option A. Win. B. Will win. C. Would win. D. Would have won. The correct answer is option D. Would have won. Number 11. If we dash now, we will miss the movie. Option A. Didn't leave. B. Don't leave. C. Hadn't left. D. Left. The correct answer is option B. Don't leave. Number 12. She would have been happier if she dashed the truth. Option A. Knowns. B. Had known. C. Knew. D. Will known. The correct answer is option B. Had known. Number 13. If I had a car, I dash to the office. Option A. Drive. B. Would drive. C. Drove. D. Had driven. The correct answer is option B. Would drive. Number 14. If you dash earlier, we wouldn't be late now. Option A. Leave. B. Left. C. Had left. D. Would leave. The correct answer is option C. Had left. Number 15. If I had seen her, I dash hello. Option A say, B said, C would say, D would have said. The correct answer is option D would have said. Number 16. If we dash enough money, we will buy a new house. Option A have, B had, C has, D will have. The correct answer is option A have. Number 17. If it snowed, we dash outside. Option A go, B went, C would go, D had gone. The correct answer is option C would go. Number 18. If I finish work early, I dash you. Option A will call, B would call, C called, D had called. The correct answer is option A will call. Number 19. If she dash harder, she could pass the exam. Option A study, B studied, C had studied, D studies. The correct answer is option B studied. Number 20. If they dash the invitation, they would have attended. Option A receive, B received, C had received, D will receive. The correct answer is option C had received. Number 21. If I were a bird, I dash fly. Option A will, B would, C can, D shall. The correct answer is option B would. Number 22. I will go if it dash sunny. Option A is, B will be, C was, D were. The correct answer is option A is. Number 23. If he dash more time, he could help. Option A has, B have, C had, D will have. The correct answer is option C had. Number 24. You will be late if you dash now. Option A don't leave, B didn't leave, C hadn't left, D wouldn't leave. The correct answer is option A don't leave. Number 25. If you had told me, I dash helped you. Option A would, B will, C would have, D had. The correct answer is option C would have. Number 26. If she dashed the rules, she wouldn't be punished. Option A followed, B follows, C had followed, D follow. The correct answer is option B follows. Number 27. If it dashed so cold, we would have gone hiking. Option A isn't, B hadn't been, C weren't, D won't be. The correct answer is option B hadn't been. Number 28. If he had trained more, he dash won. Option A would have, B would, C will, D had. The correct answer is option A would have. Number 29. I dash go to the beach if it's sunny tomorrow. Option A would, B will, C had, D could. The correct answer is option B will. Number 30. If I dash more sleep, I would feel better. Option A get, B got, C getting, D had got. The correct answer is option B got. Number 31. If she had been careful, she dash hurt herself. Option A wouldn't, B wouldn't have, C would, D wouldn't be. The correct answer is option B wouldn't have. Number 32. If the alarm rings, I dash up. Option A get, B will get, C would get, D got. The correct answer is option B will get. Number 33. If they dash earlier, they would be here now. Option A had left, B left, C would leave, D were leaving. The correct answer is option A had left. Number 34. If I knew his number, I dash him. Option A will call, B would call, C had called, D call. The correct answer is option B would call. Number 35. If we dash more careful, the accident wouldn't happen. Option A drive, B drove, C had driven, D will drive. The correct answer is option C had driven. Number 36. If she dashed her homework, she could watch TV. Option A finished, B had finished, C finished, D was finishing. The correct answer is option A finished. Number 37. If it rains, the match dash cancelled. Option A is, B will be, C would be, D was. The correct answer is option B will be. Number 38. If you dash so fast, you wouldn't feel tired. Option A don't run, B didn't run, C hadn't run, D won't run. The correct answer is option B didn't run. Number 39. If I had won the lottery, I dash a big house. Option A buy, B would buy, C would have bought, D had bought. The correct answer is option C would have bought. Number 40. If he dash today, he will miss the meeting. Option A leaves, B leave, C left, D had left. The correct answer is option A leaves. Number 41. If you dash more polite, people would like you. Option A are, B were, C will be, D had been. The correct answer is option B were. Number 42. If she had locked the door, the thief dash in. Option A didn't get, B wouldn't have got, C wouldn't get, D wouldn't had got. The correct answer is option B wouldn't have got. Number 43. I dash help if I knew what to do. Option A would, B will, C can, D had. The correct answer is option A would. Number 44. If he dash now, he will be on time. Option A leaves, B left, C leave, D had left. The correct answer is option A leaves. Number 45. If I were you, I dash apologize. Option A will, B would, C had, D should. The correct answer is option B, would. Number 46. If I dash $1 million, I would donate some. Option A, have, B, had, C, will have, D, would have. The correct answer is option B, had. Number 47. If we dash water, we will die. Option A, didn't have, B, don't have, C, hadn't had, D, not have. The correct answer is option B, don't have. Number 48. If you had been there, you dash what happened. Option A, will know, B, knew, C, would know, D, would have known. The correct answer is option D, would have known. Number 49. If the sun sets, is dash dark. Option A, gets, B, got, C, get, D, getting. The correct answer is option A, gets. Number 50. If she had told me, I dash surprised. Option A, am not, B, won't be, C, wouldn't have been, D, would be. The correct answer is option C, wouldn't have been. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to share your score in the comment section. How much did you get right? Thank you.